My name is Jessica DeGroote Nelson. I am the Vice President of Precision Optics for Edmund Optics. I've been in the industry for just about 20 years. I came from the University of Rochester, the Institute of Optics, where I did my bachelor's, master's, and PhD. And I studied specifically magnetorheological finishing. So I have had a lot of experience working with optical fabrication throughout the years. So here at OMP, I teach optical materials fabrication and testing for the optical engineer. This is designed in order to give an optical engineer or potentially someone that's recareering into whether it's lens design or working with optics for the first time, first an introduction to how an optic is made. So looking at the material properties, the fabrication methods, testing methods, and then for the second half of the course, we talk about optical tolerancing. And it helps everyone understand, why is my optic so expensive? So I would say one of the biggest pieces of feedback that I get from teaching here at OMP, or whether it's at Photonics West, is that I try to also tie in some of both, whether it's the materials, the fabrication processes, some of the machines, the instruments, the metrology pieces of equipment that they might be able to see on the show floor. And so they can go through with almost like a shopping list of, oh, I need to check this out because this is, I'm going to have this issue. Our industry, especially in optics manufacturing, there's a lot of specialty shops and then specialty processes. And so finding which application and which process best fits your need. And so being able to tie those together, and then so pairing what you learn in the course, but then being able to go and actually see it and talk to the vendors in the show is a fantastic thing.